Hello, and welcome to my channel, Simple and Short. Today I will share some simple and quick recipes that can be made in under 30 minutes. These recipes are perfect for those who are short on time but still want to enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal. So, without further ado, let's get started. Recipe 1, Avocado Toast with Poached Egg. Ingredients are, 2 slices of bread, 1 avocado, 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings, sliced tomatoes, feta cheese, red pepper flakes. 1. Toast the bread to your liking. 2. As the bread is being toasted, proceed to mashing the avocado in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. 3. In a pot of boiling water, poach the eggs for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set, but the yolks are still runny. 4. Spread the mashed avocado on the toast and top with the poached eggs. 5. Sprinkle with your desired toppings and enjoy. Recipe 2, 1 pan lemon garlic chicken with asparagus. Ingredients are, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 pound asparagus, trimmed, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 lemon, sliced, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a bowl, mix together the minced garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 3. Place the chicken breast in a baking dish and brush with the garlic and oil mixture. 4. Add the asparagus to the dish and toss with the remaining garlic and oil mixture. 5. Arrange the lemon slices over the chicken and asparagus. 6. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the asparagus is tender. Shrimp stir-fry with vegetables. Ingredients are 1 pound shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced, 1 zucchini, sliced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings, chopped cilantro, lime wedges. Instructions: 1. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. 2. Add the minced garlic and stir for 30 seconds. 3. Add the sliced bell peppers and zucchini to the skillet and stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. 4. Add the shrimp to the skillet and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until the shrimp are pink and cooked through. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Serve with optional toppings of chopped cilantro and lime wedges. Recipe 4, Caprese salad with balsamic glaze. Ingredients are, 2 cups cherry tomatoes, halved, 8 ounces fresh mozzarella, sliced, 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves, torn, 2 tablespoons balsamic glaze, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Arrange the cherry tomatoes and fresh mozzarella on a platter. 2. Sprinkle torn basil leaves on top of the tomatoes and mozzarella. 3. Drizzle balsamic glaze over the top of the salad. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Recipe 5, Easy Beef Tacos. Ingredients are 1 pound ground beef, half onion, chopped, 1 packet of taco seasoning, 8 taco shells. Optional toppings, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, salsa. Instructions 1. Brown the ground beef and chopped onion in a skillet over medium-high heat. 2. Add the taco seasoning to the skillet and stir until the beef is coated. 3. Warm the taco shells in the oven or microwave according to package instructions. 4. Fill each taco shell with the beef mixture and chop with desired toppings. 5. Serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed these 5 quick and easy recipes that can be made in under 30 minutes. Whether you're looking for a simple salad or a satisfying pasta dish, there's something here for everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.